Welcome to the channel. Have you guys tried these? Disposable underwear. Now, are they genius and you should get some for yourself? Or are they just a gimmick and don't have any purpose? Let's jump into it. So this particular brand comes as a 10-pack and each one is individually wrapped in this plastic, which will keep it dry and keeps it nice and compact until you're ready to use it, and then the package is easy to tear open. Now, once they're opened, of course, they look like regular boxer briefs, guys. About the same length. They've got a pouch area in the front, per se. We won't call it full pouch. And they're also 95% cotton and 5% elastane, so it's real material, guys. So let's take a closer look at the features. We'll go over a try-on, and then we'll do some final thoughts as well as what happened after I washed and dried these. So starting with the waistband is very thin. It comes in at about 1/4 inch. Now, with it being so thin, the one thing to remember is there's nothing to roll over. So we've got a bonus there. And this also is where the elastane is. So it actually has some nice stretch to it. And taking a quick look here at the side panels, you can see that it actually is much thinner than a regular pair of cotton boxer briefs. You can see my hand through it, which is definitely showing that these are not going to last as long as a regular pair. The middle panel, however, is a double layer of the same fabric. So it's two pieces put together, which is going to allow for more coverage so nothing shows, as well as a little bit of extra absorbency. When it comes to the seams are all stitched just like normal underwear. So they do have real seams in them. So you should not have issues with putting them on and them falling apart. All right, guys, so here we are in the boxer briefs. And as you can see, they are shaped just like regular boxer briefs. They are a little translucent here on the sides, and that's because that fabric is much thinner than traditional boxer briefs. The pouch area is a dual line pouch, offering a little more privacy as well as a little more absorbency. The leg bands stay nice and close. I'm not having any issues with them. It is short season right now, so I'm wearing them under shorts and not pants. But for disposable boxer briefs, you know, the band is decent here. We'll do a quick turnaround all the way around. And they actually fit really nicely. This is a size medium and they fit well. They are a little looser up in the waistband here because, of course, that waistband isn't super thick. So that is something to take in consideration depending on what you're doing for activities in these. So now let's check a pair after they've been washed and see how much they actually shrink and how they're holding up. All right, so after wearing them, I did throw them in the wash and through the dryer, as I said earlier. Now, these actually held up really well. I am noticing, which I don't think I can get it on camera, but I am noticing a little bit of pilling. You can notice here on the leg bands a little bit that they are rippling now because that fabric is not super thick, but they made it through the wash. There's no tears. There's no misshaping from what I can tell. I did try them on again and they fit just fine. So if you wanted to, you could definitely wear these a few times before having to just get rid of them. Now, when it comes to the actual wearing of them, I thought they were comfortable. They weren't scratchy. I kind of expected them to be scratchy because the material was thinner than a regular pair of boxer briefs, but they weren't. They actually were nice and soft. They're thinner than regular boxer briefs, so you know there's airflow through there because they're translucent. So I felt that they breathed really nicely. The legs for these fit nicely. These are actually a medium, about 5'6", 135 pounds, and they actually fit fine. I didn't have any issues with the fit. I felt that the waist had a little bit of stretch in it, so you could probably go up. You know, I don't think they're gonna be any problem for fitting for those of you that are medium. There are a couple sizes available. I think it's small and medium. So I would say if you are a large, that they may be okay for you, but you're gonna have to kind of look at it and decide for yourself. The leg bands stayed nice and close against my legs, but they offered enough stretch that if I pull it out and let it goes right back into shape. I didn't notice any issues with that. Sleeping in them was comfortable, no different than anything else. The only thing I will say I noticed a little bit is the waistband, because it is much thinner than boxer briefs typically are, that the support is a little different there as well. So I didn't feel that it was falling down, but I also don't necessarily think I would use them for some kind of, you know, exercise that was the gym or something necessarily. I I think hiking in them would be fine, camping, business travel, regular travel. I don't think any of that's going to matter. I didn't feel that they were falling down. I just felt that they didn't stay put like normal waistbands do that are a little thicker. Now, when it comes to these versus your regular boxer briefs, is there a purpose for these? They're just disposable and you're paying money for them, right? Well, when you think about traveling, they actually have a good purpose. For one, if you take 7 of these wrapped up like I have here, next to these 7 pairs of boxer briefs, that's a week's worth of underwear, and look how much smaller it is for those 7 that are disposable. Now, once you've worn them and you've got to put them back in your bag to take home to launder, they're all probably going to be bunched up and not folded. So we have that aspect of it. Next, these are thinner, so they take up less room. I can crush them down to almost nothing. So even 7 pairs of these are going to take up less room than that if you want to take these home and wash them. For shorter business trips or when space is limited, you may wash them in the sink at the hotel or something. With these, you don't have to do that. Or you can do that and these are going to dry a lot faster and you can still leave them behind when you leave that trip to head home. Finally, camping and hiking. You're out in the elements, so you've got a chance of rain or you hit a downpour. They're all packaged, ready to go for you. And when they're soaked and sweaty and you just don't want to wash them or you need a dry pair, you've got one here or you've got your other ones and these can be ditched. Guys, what do you think of disposable boxer briefs? Have you tried them? Do you think they're a good idea? What about disposable briefs? I know they have those as well. Thoughts on those? Would you prefer those? Would you not? I'm not saying they're going to be worn every day, but they definitely have a purpose to them, especially if you are camping, hiking, or do a lot of traveling. Guys, leave your comments below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.